Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best microwave ovens. Starting at number 5. Samsung MS14K 6000S. If you want a smaller microwave that still offers plenty of power, then this one. For cubic feet, 1000 watt option from Samsung is a great pick. Customers love the modern black color scheme and the brushed stainless steel handle. The design of the control panel is also unique because it combines digital controls with a metal dial. Online reviewers appreciate the unique LED display and say that one of the microwave's highlights is Eco Mode, which allows you to turn the digital display off to conserve energy. Senses both moisture and temperature to provide optimal heating. Triple distribution system improves the heat distribution to cook food more evenly and thoroughly. Effortlessly remove grease or oil from surfaces and protect against scratches that occur from daily use. Coming at number 4. Amazon Basics Microwave. This affordable microwave offers 700 watts of power in a small footprint that's perfect for a small home or apartment. The black exterior and control panel gives this microwave a standard look that doesn't reveal just how budget-friendly it is. This model has your typical preset cooking functions for foods like pizza and beverages, and has an LED display that features a clock and a timer. It even has a child lock to keep curious kids out of trouble. The best part of this microwave might be its Alexa integration. Compact size saves counter space, plus 10 power levels, a kitchen timer, a child lock, and a turntable. Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new presets. At number 3. Toshiba EC042A5C SS. A microwave with a convection function offers multiple ways to cook your meals with one appliance. This 1000 watt microwave has enough power to cook food in microwave mode or roast and bake using the convection function, between 170 and 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Featuring 1.5 cubic feet of space, it's large enough to microwave full-size dinner plates or accommodate a small chicken or pizza. A grill rack for convection mode cooking makes it easy to get a crispy exterior. 77 by 21. 5 by 12. 99 inches, internal dimension, WXDXH15. 5 by 15. 35 by 10. 2 inches. Combines microwave and convection cooking in one appliance, with auto bake and auto roast menus. Number 2 of my list. Toshiba EM131A5C BS. The Toshiba EM131A5C BS handles all your basic tasks and balances counter space with a roomy capacity. Available in either black or silver stainless steel, this countertop microwave has an interior capacity of 1.2 cubic feet while measuring just over 20 inches wide and 17 inches long. Its 1100 watts of power can be adjusted with 10 power settings. And our tester found that it cooks food evenly and quickly. The unit is also equipped with sensor cooking and 2 defrost settings. Still, this Toshiba countertop microwave has a solid reputation for being easy to use and reliable, which is what our reviewer found. It was also exceptionally easy to clean. And number 1. Black+Decker. Black+Decker Digital Microwave Oven Review. This countertop model from Black+Decker is available in 4 different sizes, including a 0.7 cubic foot microwave that's an ideal option for small spaces. This microwave is one of the smallest out there, measuring about 17 inches wide by 11. This microwave has 700 watts of power, which proved plenty for reheating leftovers, making a bag of microwave popcorn, melting butter, and more, all in just a couple of minutes. Our tester especially liked using the express heat buttons, which allow you to select a cook time of 1 to 6 minutes by simply pressing the corresponding number on the keypad. There are also express cook settings for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetables, beverages, and dinner plates. Plus a memory setting where you can program your most used cooking settings. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.